Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn if statement in C programming. In C programming, by default, the statements are executed sequentially. C provides two styles of flow control to change the sequential execution of the program. Number one is branching, that is decision making, and second one is looping, that is repetitive statements. Branching decision making statement is deciding what actions to take. Looping is deciding how many times to take a certain action. Decision making statement is depending on the condition block need to be executed or not, which is decided by condition. If the condition is true, statement block will be executed. If condition is false, then statement block will not be executed. In C language, there are three types of decision making statements: if else, and switch. There are few types of if statement, that is simple if statement, if else statement, nested if else, and the if ladder. Simple if, also known as if then control structure, is the most basic statement of decision. It tells the program to execute a certain part of code only if particular condition is true. Let's have a clear understanding of if statement with the help of an example of a flowchart. You have already learned that a condition or decision is denoted by the decision symbol inside the flowchart, a rhombus or a diamond symbol in which the condition is written. The program control will be transferred based on the result of decision. If the condition is true, then the statements written after the condition will be executed. That means that the block of if statement will be executed may contain one statement or many. In case of simple if, the statements written after the block of if statement will be executed if the condition will be false. Let's discuss the structure of if statement. Constructing the body of if statement is always option. Create the body when we have multiple statements. Check out the structure. The block starts with the curly braces and ends with the curly braces. This is called body part of if condition or if statement, and we have multiple statements inside the if block. If there is a single statement, then there is no need to put the curly braces. If the body is not specified, then automatically condition part will be terminated with the next semicolon. If the condition is true, then the statement 1 will be executed. It may be a block of multiple statements. And in case the statement 0, which is written after the block, will be executed if the condition will become false. Let's have a look of an example from C language program. Here we have a variable time of the type int, and we are going to initialize with the value 10. And we are going to give an if statement. The condition is if time is less than 12, then you have to printf good morning. You can see there is a block of if. In case if the condition would be true, then good morning will be printed on the output screen. The statement written after the if block will be executed if the condition will become false. Here we have another scenario. In this case, I'm going to initialize the time with 14. The condition is the same, time is less than 12. And in this case, it will not execute the statements written under the if, that is the block. It will directly go to the else part, the false part, and will print good afternoon.